Okay, family, today we're gonna make barbecue sauce 2 different ways. You're gonna love this, family. Okay, for your 2 barbecue sauce, all you're gonna need is blackstrap molasses, garlic powder, not minced garlic, I'm sorry about that, paprika, chili powder, turmeric or mustard, black pepper, onion powder, honey, Worcestershire sauce, water, apple cider vinegar, ketchup, and brown sugar. This is gonna be your most delicious barbecue sauce. And without further ado, let's get to creating this, family. Okay, in our saucepan, we're gonna start off with 2 cups of ketchup. We're gonna get every ounce of ketchup in there, family. 1/4 cup of brown sugar, a 1/2 cup of apple cider vinegar, a 1/2 cup of water, 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce, 1 tablespoon of paprika, family, 1 tablespoon of chili, next 1 teaspoon of turmeric or mustard, then we're gonna add 1 teaspoon of ground pepper, followed by 1 tablespoon of onion powder, next to 1 tablespoon of garlic powder. And this is your first barbecue sauce, family, which we will call the original barbecue sauce. There you have it. We're gonna go ahead and finish giving this a nice mix. And at this time, we're gonna go ahead and turn the heat onto medium, low to medium heat, preferably to medium. And we're gonna allow this to cook till it come to a fresh boil, just like you see here. At this time, we're gonna turn the heat off or take the saucepan off the burner. Yes, and at this time, we're gonna add 1/8 cup of blackstrap molasses. We gotta say it like E40, family, blackstrap molasses. Now we're gonna add 2 to 5 tablespoons of honey. Add as much honey as you wish, family. This is your barbecue sauce. And we're gonna go ahead and give this a nice mix. And until then, quick fact. Who invented barbecue sauce? A Dominican missionary named Pierre Labarre, where he visited the French West Indies and he witnessed the cooks using lime juice and hot peppers to season their barbecued meat. Pretty cool. You learn something new every day. Okay. All right, family. And after putting some elbow grease in there, we are done with our barbecue sauce, family. And there you have it. You can make your barbecue sauce in 2 different ways. And just to make it your honey, you can add blackstrap molasses and add honey to make it your own honey barbecue sauce. All right, family, at this time, let's go ahead and have a taste test. And this is beautiful, family. And if you liked this video and found it helpful, please hit subscribe and hit that notification bell at your bottom right and hit all. Share this video with at least one of your friends. Let's make it to our next 5,000 Ddins and to our next food adventure. Peace.